What's going on, everybody? This is your most handsome reporter, Tabish Mumonster, reporting from downtown Bayou. Cops are closing down all the streets. This is serious. This is the most flooding we've seen since Harvey. 5 more feet and it's Harvey right here. This is the Bayou Canal, or Bayou whatever, right near UVH downtown. Cops have been closing in. As you can see all the way down there, it's already going past that first bridge. Oh my. We don't have any news media here, so you will see me be the media. Right now, this is the current situation, Houston downtown. Walk with me. Again, follow me. All social media platforms. Flooding in Houston. This is the most flooding we've ever had. Walk with me, guys, walk with me. Later on my YouTube, I'll post what this looks like when it's not flooded. It's quite the scene. Everyone's trapped. You better go stay home. Flooding from everywhere. This is the Houston County Jail right here. Buses have stopped. You want to walk? All right, let's get wet. Let's go. Let's walk. I'm about to die. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this? It's flooding right here too. This is absolutely crazy. Again, your most handsome Tabish Mumonster. Yep, this is definitely not safe, so I shouldn't be doing this. But get my subscribers up, please. Oh my God, do y'all see that? Do y'all see this? This is not safe whatsoever. Let me put my sign away. All right, let's go. Walk with me. Through danger, we walk. Hopefully I don't drop my phone though. Oh, look at this view! Woo! Woo! That is a view, folks. We are in the middle, heart of downtown. Woo! Like, subscribe for more. Out to Beast.